Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Today's video is sponsored by Luvmehair. They sent me this bomb wig and I'll be installing it with y'all. I did no baby hairs look with this wig. Y'all, this lace was definitely bomb. Definitely loved it. The hair definitely was full. I'll be telling y'all everything about this hair, literally everything that you need to know about this wig. So let's get right into this video. I hope y'all enjoy. So y'all, this is how the wig came. It came packaged up in this purple box. Inside the wig, it did come with a few things. It came with a wig cap. It came with a little wallet pocket thing, and inside of it, it had a edge brush, a headband thing, and it also came with a little pocket mirror. Now y'all, this is how the wig looks. Look at the lace. It's definitely invisible lace, y'all. You do not need to bleach this lace if you do not want to. It's up to you. You do not have to. It basically comes pre-plucked, everything. Not only that, y'all, the lace is very easy to pluck. When you pluck it, it tears lightly, like it's a whole different plucking, y'all. It's definitely easy to pluck for all the beginners out there. I also be showing y'all the lace, how the lace look. And like y'all, this is no bleach, literally nothing on it, y'all. Definitely clean. And I did cut a piece off so that y'all can see. Now I'll be installing it with y'all. First, I will be prepping this wig before I put it on. Then I'll be showing y'all how I put on my ball cap methods for closure wigs. This is how the wig looks, y'all. As you can see, yes, it's definitely giving, definitely giving. So let's get right into this video. Not only that, y'all, this wig is definitely full. I believe the density is like 200. Now I'll be showing y'all how the hair looks when it is wet. First, I'll be using water to wet it, and I'll also be using a brush. This is how the hair looks when it is dry, y'all. Literally, as I mentioned before, it is full. It's definitely giving. I also did no baby hairs on this wig, y'all. Now I would just be spraying water into my hair. Literally, it's just warm water, and I'm brushing it, showing y'all how it looks. Like, look at the curl pattern, y'all. It's definitely there. It's definitely there. Definitely bomb.
Then dip me underway. You can kill my mother, flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for air breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby.
Then I'll be also going in with mousse and using the mousse as well, just to give it more of a firm look, more for the curls to hold longer. You also can air dry it or you can blow dry it. It is up to you, your choice. So guys, this is the final look. I hope that y'all enjoy as much as I enjoy collabing with Luvmehair. Everything will be in the description box, literally everything. You can use my discount code to get money off your purchase if you are interested in shopping with them. The exact link to this wig will be in the description box as well, y'all. I definitely love this wig. It's definitely good quality, y'all. I definitely would recommend. And it is full. It is 24 inches, y'all. I also will be turning around, showing y'all how the back looks. It is full, and not only that, y'all, the hair is damp. It is not fully dry in this clip, but I will be turning around, showing y'all how the back looks, how it shakes, literally everything. I'll also be showing y'all how the lighting looks outside. Also be showing y'all how it looks in the bathroom and in regular room light, y'all. So yes, if you're interested in shopping with Luvmehair, definitely shop with them. Let them know that I did send you. I definitely love collabing with them. Everything will be in the description box. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. It will be in the description box as well, y'all. We want to roll to 100K, 50K on the way. Until next time, I will see y'all in my next video.